Session 9 is designed to get you started thinking about your future career. We're going to begin Session 9 with Activity 1 entitled 5 Career Questions Journal. Once you access the journal assignment, you will see that you will be asked to read an article. The article is entitled 5 Questions That Will Help You Choose the Right Career. Read over that article and reflect on those 5 questions. Then get ready to complete the journal. Remember, when you are completing the journal, you are copying the format that is laid out for you, and then you are pasting that format into the journal entry box. When you get ready to type your answer, make sure that your input is in a different color font. Once you are done answering your questions, make sure that you hit the blue Save Changes button. Remember, more than a sentence or 2 will be required for full credit. Moving on to the next assignment, entitled Career Research, we are going to look at one of the very important assignments that you will complete in ACA. The Career Research assignment will ask you to make a copy. Here you will see some typed out directions. Number 1 asks you to utilize some or all of the resources listed to complete the Career Research assignment. As you move through the directions of the assignment, you're going to see that you are asked to take a few career assessments. I want to draw your attention to that request and show you in the top of the assignment a detailed explanation of the resources listed will help you further analyze which one of these resources actually have career assessments. This explanation of resources within the assignment was created specifically with you in mind. This walks through exactly where you need to go and what you need to access within these resources in order to find the career assessments. Sometimes they can be a little tricky and slightly hidden in some of these resource websites. So once you have done your career assessments, you are going to reflect a little bit. Make sure that you see the first request is to paste a screenshot of at least 2 of your career assessment results. We've done a lot of screenshotting thus far in the course, so I'm going to assume you're comfortable with this task. If for some reason you have difficulty, please reach out to me via email and we can video chat and figure out what's going on. If you'll notice, there are purple point values in the upper right-hand corner of the sections. This will tell you how much each section is worth. After your assessment and reflections, you're going to think about some careers that you might be interested in and some colleges that you could potentially attend in order to pursue that career. Please understand that in the college section, you need to be specific, such as East Carolina University or NC State University, not college or university. Moving on to the career research section, you're going to identify 3 career options that you want to research a little further. So say you choose 3 that you might be the most interested in. It's okay if you choose 3 and you end up not being interested in any of them. This is just an exercise that's going to teach you how to research careers. So in the future, if you're interested in more than one career, you'll know what to look for when you start researching. You're going to list those 3 careers, 1, 2, and 3, and then you're going to answer questions about each one of those. So the career that you type into box number 1, that information for that career will be added in the column below. You'll do this for each one of the 3 careers that you decide to research. Finally, you'll do a reflection about your career research. Remember, the point values are listed in the upper right-hand corner, so you're going to want to make sure that you put forth enough effort. This is a 100-point assignment. You are also going to paste a screenshot of a job listing that you find when you are researching. Because of the multiple screenshots that you're going to be asked to paste into this document, I want to bring your attention to the fact that you are asked to submit this document a little bit different than some of you have been submitting thus far this semester. Moodle is not going to allow me to open your file unless it is downloaded as a Word document. So I want to show you how to do that. When you are in your career research file and you have completed the assignment, I want you to follow these steps. Click on File in the upper left-hand corner. Then click Download, and a box will open to the right. From this menu, I want you to click on Microsoft Word. When you do that, you will see the file download to your taskbar on your computer. You can take this file and drag and drop it into the submission link in Moodle. Now remember, I can't exactly show you how to do that because my submission link looks different from yours. But once you get to the screen that I'm showing you now, you'll have a box that you can drag and drop this file into. You'll also want to try to save this file, perhaps on your desktop or on a jump drive or somewhere else, just in case there is an issue with opening your file. I've done this enough where if you download as a Microsoft Word file, I do not have trouble accessing the assignment. But if you try to do something a little bit different, you may run into an issue. So try the way that I've just shown you first. Once you submit, if you're not sure, you're welcome to send me an email and I'll be happy to double check and make sure that I can see your file. If you have any additional questions as you complete this week's assignments, please reach out via email. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you as you research potential future careers.